Finance accounting certification. What is an accounting certification? Finance accounting certification allows students to research generalized bookkeeping or a particular accountancy subject thoroughly and may prepare trainees for the next steps in their job or instructional occupation. Acquiring a widely identified finance accounting certification can assist you land work, boost your bankability, and offer specialist credibility to you and your company in a competitive market. Finance accounting certification can either be entry-level generalist audit certificate programs or advanced accounting certification programs offering customized research study. Entry-level certificates show trainees the essentials of the area as well as give them a structure to operate in entry-level placements such as bookkeeper and accountancy staff or prepare them for more education and learning. Finance accounting certification is professional designations that are normally achieved through an exam and also industry-relevant qualifications. About finance accounting certification. The finance accounting certification will enhance your understanding of the basic principles of financial accounting. We'll start with a reminder of basic accounting principles like double-entry bookkeeping. Building on this, you'll learn how to apply accepted accounting techniques to prepare a perfect set of financial statements for your business. The course includes an interactive case study in which we develop a full set of accounts from first principles. Significance of finance accounting certification in 2020. Gaining a finance accounting certification is a huge step towards boosting your marketability and professional advancement as a specialist in this area. Benefits of gaining finance accounting certification. Increasing your odds of getting hired. Reducing your chances of getting terminated during discharges. Taking full advantage of the marketability of your ability. Raising your salary. Offering professional reliability for you as well as your firm. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for a finance accounting certification in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best finance accounting for beginners exam preparation courses. Finance accounting training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/